welcome to this video tutorial on a bold lip. So I start by applying a little bit of foundation around the lip, and then I'm using the lip pencil by Garbo and Kelly in the color Obsession because I am obsessed. Now I'm doing fine little strokes on the outer edge of my natural lip line, and you can see my natural lip line goes straight across, and I find that sometimes as I'm getting a bit older, going straight across can look a little bit intense when I've got such a bold colour. So I tend to put a little bit of a peak and draw one in. So just following around on the outside edge. And you'll see, look, nobody's lip line is really straight. Mine's actually really quite crooked, so I generally have to do a little bit of work to get them even. Now, once I've got the shape that I like on top, then I fill in underneath. Now when I'm working on the lower lip line, in the center, I'm working on the outer edge, but as I come into the corners, I'm going to work on the inner edge. Reason being, I'm now 44, and if I'm pulling it down too much on those outer corners, it's going to drag the line of my lip down, and that's not going to give me a youthful appearance. See down there, if I went down there, not the right thing to do. So on the lower lip line, I stick to the inner lip line on the outer edge coming up to the actual smile, and then fill in through the center. You want to make sure it's all filled in everywhere. It's going to give you great longevity with your makeup. Make sure you get in everywhere. Now I do a couple of little tricks to clean up the edges, and I do this on set and I do it with myself. So I've just got on here a little bit of the Bioderma. You can use any makeup remover that you like and just clean up the edges. Then my favorite trick, put a little bit of a kiss onto the finger and then blend that color into the cheek. This is a great way of tying your lip color into the cheek area and bringing your look together without having to do much at all. I don't know about you, but first thing in the morning, this is a much quick and easier option than finding all my other products. Now around the edge of my lip line, I really want to get it perfect. So I've just used a concealer on the same angled brush, and this is the Garbo and Kelly angled brush, and you're meant to use this in your brows, but I use it for everywhere. And you can see that I'm just really making those lines super straight and super clean. It's a really quick and easy tip. We used the Bioderma before just to make the line straight, and then I want to obviously make sure it was done perfectly with the concealer or the foundation. Then I'm applying the Garbo and Kelly Obsession Long Lasting Matte Lipstick. Now this lipstick does not move for hours, and when you're presenting all day like I can be, it is fantastic. So I'm really mindful and delicate about where I place it, and then I want to make sure that I'm getting it in and everywhere that it needs to be so that there's no gaps at all. And just working the product through. Now, anything that's going to be longer lasting and matte, it goes on and then you need to allow it to set. So enjoy this fun, bold lip look and choose whichever color you like. See you next time.